Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. My first short ever was changing the filter on this Aquasana, and it's gotten a good amount of comments, so I thought I would make a video addressing these and going more into detail. First, I signed up for their subscription and got a box like this. It had 2 filters, one every 6 months, came with some instructions. Pause to read if you guys need to. Let's start with Blanca. This person was mentioning a flashing red light every 5 seconds. It was in Spanish, so not too sure what they meant. So I did a Google Translate. It's gonna turn red in a few seconds. Right there. A couple of weeks ago, this would flash red and blue, so I think that's the warning to start changing the filter, and now it is permanently just red. Next is Click and Realign from Dana. So I will unplug before changing the filter. Pops off pretty easily. And a couple of comments are talking about the screw top, Sherry and Dawn. It is quite difficult to click open. I have to press pretty hard and filter comes out. Looks like this. Next is Amy and AW mentioned filter release was quite difficult. I agree with them. We have to pull pretty hard to separate that. And it's pretty difficult. I feel like I'm actually crushing the filter when I'm removing it. New filter goes in, remove the plastic packaging. A quick comparison between the new and old filter. New filter in. By Dana, that mentioned realigning difficulties with this part. I'm not too sure what she meant. It seemed pretty straightforward to me. There's really only one way I think this can fit, and it goes there. Last is the blinking blue, and I also want to clarify with El Santo, don't drink the first picture. Let's plug this back in. All that's good to go. We're gonna fill this up completely. When we're ready, we're gonna press the button 3 times. It will illuminate red for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then press for 1 second. That should flush the entire system. Gonna wait for that. So it just finished and it's still blinking red, so I think that's what Sherry meant by trying to get it to blink blue. I'm gonna put more water in here. Okay, let's try this again. Press quickly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 second. 1, 2, 3. 1 second. It's supposed to change from red to blue and stay blue when completed. Let's try that again. Perfect. It just finished. It's flashing that blue for 5 times. We'll watch the video back and count it. It went solid blue for another 5 seconds. I think we are all done. Video 292 done. Just kidding, it is not working for some reason. I'm gonna try to flush it again and see what happens. And it's not even flushing. Interesting. Good news, I was getting ready to take this apart to make the next video, but it is working now. This was moving around a little bit, and I think the springs on the inside has to align correctly. And this part down here, I guess it was sitting funny. I was doing this and it started working again, so I don't know. Hopefully that's helpful for somebody.